Every university gives their students the chance to succeed by offering technical classes, different organizations, and engaging events on campus. But here at Lawrence Tech, where possible is everything, they go above and beyond the normal. Just in this past semester, Lawrence Tech hosted 2 completely unique events focused solely on improving and enhancing the engineering mindset of students from across the country.
The Innovation Encounter is now becoming a brand. It's becoming well known, and we continue to build on our experiences of the past.
Each event used two very different methods of unleashing the way us young engineers think and act towards solving a problem. The first event that I was involved in was the Creativity, Innovation, and Ingenuity Camp. There we had one of our respected engineering professors provide a group of 20 students with proven methods for approaching and solving a problem. After an entire week of learning and watching other engineers solve problems, it was finally time to put our knowledge to work. We were tasked with redesigning the common shopping cart. By instinct, our group wanted to start drawing up new carts and making the final product minutes after receiving the problem, but we didn't. Because what we learned during the camp was that you must first get your mind to think like the customer and truly address what the problem of the current shopping cart was. To do so, our team went out to the local grocery store to first observe customers using the product and then interview the grocery store customers. Realizing that our true customer would be the grocery store owner, we decided to interview cart employees and managers at the store for a better insight of what problems they actually face. After thorough research and figuring out the true problems of the shopping cart, we came up with a brand new design, one that would make the life of the store owners and customers easier. The second event LTU hosted was the Innovation Encounter. LTU brought in a sponsor for the event, which was Forcia, the 7th largest automotive supplier in the world, to present us with a problem that not only they are currently working on, but one that has stumped automotive suppliers for years. Forcia challenged us with the task of completely redesigning the center console of a luxury mid-sized sedan of the future. The problem statement was delivered to us on a Friday night at 7, and we were to give a presentation on our prototype to senior engineers from Forcia at 2 p.m. on Saturday afternoon, so the atmosphere was very tense and challenging. The opportunity gave us a chance to think outside the box while under a lot of pressure due to such extreme time constraints. Our group's first effort towards solving the problem was to quickly brainstorm some current issues that we saw with the current center console, such as the extra clutter and the distraction from keeping your eyes on the road. After acknowledging what we believed to be the problems, we set out to speak with some of the future customers who will be driving these cars in the next 15 years, other Lawrence Tech engineering and architecture students. By questioning students who had experience in the automotive field and students who were just everyday commuters, we were able to gain actual insight from our potential buyers. With the information and many problems we gathered, we separated the real issues from the ones that weren't truly problems. Our group was able to take everyday products that have never been used in the car and integrate them to solve a common problem, such as a coin sorter, a scanner, and a paper shredder. We were able to use a coin sorter to solve the problem of loose change sitting around and possible projectiles during a crash. The scanner and paper shredder were used to neatly store and dispose of extra paper and receipts left in your console. Those new problem-solving techniques our team used were just a couple of the methods we learned throughout our classes and in the camps offered here at Lawrence Tech. Lawrence Technological University gives engineering students the true feeling of theory and practice by unleashing the skills taught in the classroom and applying them to real-world problems and situations that the world's greatest engineers face every single day.